In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight in Sumatra PDF. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to select the text you want to highlight. So I'm just going to go with this first sentence over here. You want to highlight over it, click and drag over it like this to basically select it. And whenever you've done this, all you have to do is press the A key on your keyboard. And there we go. As you can see, you've successfully highlighted. Now you can go and basically use another highlight. So you can go over here and then highlight over this, press A, and there we go. It's going to highlight, and you can do this for whatever text you want inside your document. So the A key on your keyboard is going to do this. Now what you could also do is whenever you basically hover over it like this, you could also go and right click over here and then click on create annotation from selection, and then here you can click on highlight and it's going to do the same thing. But of course, if you use the A key on your keyboard, it's going to be much quicker and easier. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.